In this video, we're going to solve an equation, and it involves division and multiplication. So if we have a problem like this that says solve j divided by 3 equals 4. So the first step, to solve for a variable, use inverse operations to undo the operations in the equation. And I will show you that in detail in just a second. And it's important to make sure to do the same operation to both sides of the equation. So whatever inverse operation you do to this side, you also have to do the same one to this side of the equal sign. Okay, that's very important. So to undo divide by 3, the opposite or inverse of dividing by 3 is multiplying by 3. So we're going to multiply by 3 on both sides. Okay? Multiply by 3 on both sides to get j on its own or isolated. So now what we could do is this will cancel with itself, right? This is basically 3 over 3. So 3 over 3 is just 1. And then we're left with j on its own. So reduce the fraction and simplify. And if you need some help on reducing fractions, take a look at the description below. There's links to other videos of mine that can go through that with you in detail. Okay, so j over 3 times 3, you just cross these two out, they reduce. You're just left with 1 here, 1 and 1. So you don't need to put the 1 because it's implied, it means it's there. So then you just simplify this 4 times 3. So we are left with j equals 12. So now what you have to do is to check. That's the final step, is to check. So we put 12 in for j. J is a variable, but it's just any number. And in this case, it's 12. J equals 12. 12 over 3 equals 4, which is correct. 12 divided by 3 is 4. And that's what this equation equals. It equals 4. So we know we've done this correctly. So like I said, check out the description if you need some extra help. As well, you could download the video. In the video, the ebook. In the ebook, I have this exact lesson in there, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. So make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.